Today we're diving into a seriously good peanut butter chicken curry paired with some killer aromatic coconut rice. If you're nuts about peanut butter, this one's for you. Let's get that chicken going. Toss in these spices for the marinade. 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon mild chili powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon garlic and ginger paste, 4 whole green chilies. I like to amp up the flavor, so I'm giving this chicken a solid hour to marinate. Trust me, it's going to be epic. Mix it up like you mean it. Grab a pan, pour in half a cup of sunflower oil, and throw in 2 lemongrass sticks. Let them sizzle for about a minute. Now, add 2 chopped onions and let them do their thing for a good 10 minutes. Midway, sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of kaffir lime leaves for that extra zing. Once those onions are looking all translucent and ready, bid farewell to the lemongrass and slide in that marinated chicken. Give it a solid 10-minute fry on medium heat. No need to add extra water. These onions and chicken will work their magic. Cover it up and let it simmer on low for a good 30 minutes. While our curry's doing its thing, let's make some coconut rice. Heat up 3 tablespoons of oil and toss in 1 tablespoon of peppercorns for a quick 2-minute sizzle. Add a chopped onion and let it join the party for another minute. Now throw in 2 cups of pre-washed soaked rice. Mix it up. Then pour in 250 grams of coconut cream and 5 cups of water. Let it hit that boiling point, then cover it up and let it chill for 20 minutes. Bam! Fluffy, loose grains of coconutty goodness. Top with shredded toasted coconut. Back to our curry. Our chicken's about 75% there. It's time to mix up that creamy peanut butter coconut concoction. Grab 250 grams of crunchy peanut butter and 1 cup of coconut cream. Whisk it up into a luscious paste. Into the curry it goes. Gently does it, so our chicken stays intact. Throw in some freshly chopped spring onions. Lid back on, let it simmer for another 10 minutes on low heat. The smell is out of this world. Finishing touches. Sprinkle on some freshly chopped coriander and those roasted spiced peanuts. Time to dish it out. This beast of a recipe easily feeds a family of 6. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe for more foodie adventures, and keep those taste buds primed for the next delicious ride.